everyone. I know it's the first time you hear my voice. Sorry, we have neighbors that have dogs and stuff, so they will now go. So first you're going to comb your hair out and stuff. Okay, I have washed my hair this morning, so it is clean, but yeah. Okay, so first thing I'm going to tell you, don't judge me, but I dyed my hair again. If you can't see, I will quickly get this example. I dyed my hair again because it was not my normal color, so I dyed my hair again. And I was just looking at the time because, yeah. Okay, so we're going to get one thing straight today. We're going to make a bun. But yeah, just saying, if you hear dogs or something, it's our neighbor's dogs. So first you're going to comb it like this and put a little bit Vaseline or gel in. You can do gel, but I don't do gel because, yeah, someone took my gel. And yeah, so I'm just chewing Vaseline now. Okay, now I'm just going to get this part like this and do this. Then I'm just going to flip my hair. And do it again. With this tiny brush, let the Vaseline just go through. Okay. I don't like bubbles when I have my bun, because if you have your bun, you can see all the bubbles and stuff. So if I have bubbles, I don't like my bun, then I must do it again and again and again. So now you're going to take a hair ribbon and just tie your hair in a ponytail. And it must be tight that it will be like, it must be like this, like this. Next step is going to be take a scrunchie or anything have and tie it around that ribbon or whatever you have. Then just do that. Then you bring it all together, the hair pieces, in a circle like this. Okay, so now it's in a circle. You take another hair ribbon or anything you want. You can use elastic, you can use anything but except ribbons, like in ribbons and stuff like that. Then we're going around like this. Oh, sorry. You can also braid it if you want. I will do a second video that it shows braiding and stuff. So yeah, then you do this. Okay, it's time. You see these little pieces that's hanging out? You just do with bobby pins. And then it's a, wait, let me just quickly fasten this one. Sorry. Then it's done. If you can see, it's flat, no bubbles, and it's well done. So tomorrow morning, I'm going to show you my skincare routine. So hang on that. And then I think on Saturday I will do another bun one, and yeah, I think I'm going to do videos and TikTok. So my TikTok is on my YouTube also, and my YouTube is also on my TikTok. I will just put it on there. And yeah, so that's all I have today, and thank you that you joined. Thank you. Bye.